Okay, here we are. Week 5 is history. Week 6 is on the horizon. You know what that means, you scumbag North fuckers. It's interleague time. Time some of us wait for all year. It's time some of us step it up. Some of us drop the ball. But in the long run, it's a lot of good fun. And we'll get to it in a second. I'm going to talk about all you heathen scumbag North players. But let's get on to the games this week real quick, and then I'll get on to interleague. We all know how it works. But first things first. Well, Coke. All right. Here we go. First things first. This week, couple good games, couple fucking blowouts this week. Actually, 3 blowouts this week. So we'll start with the first game. My game. 112-78, Ray. I beat Ray 112-78 for my first win of the season. Matt Castles, because of my stupid dogs. Look at it. Look at the dummies. Look. Dummy and dummy. Okay. Because I whistled. Matt Castle gets me 35. I win 112-78 over Ray. Coke. Game 2. Closest game of the week was Mighty Dolphins 111. Rick Johnson's Harding Ave Hitman 106. Rick's having a rough time, man. He's coming close every week. He's coming close. Can't do it. Mike Schaub had 33 for Mark. Curtis Painter had 25 for Rick, who I should have picked up, and I didn't, like a dummy when I had my number 1 pick. All right. Next game had Milford Ballbreakers 4-1. Davis with an 86-74 win over Vince. Philip Rivers got Dave 20. Drew Brees again puts up 29-30 points for Vinny, but it's not enough. Vinny goes to 3-2. Dave stays at 4-1, top of the South. First of the 3 blowouts was Dirty Devils 5-0. The only 5-0 team left in the whole league. Dirty 166 beats the Mean Machine 166-88. What a drubbing! Michael Vick had 24 for Mean Machine. Roethlisberger finally got off the schneid with 36 for Dirty. Dirty's looking good. His team's looking strong. So you got to keep that up. What? All right, go away. Next game, top scorer of the week in a fucking blowout. Steve's Brady's Bombers 180. The Exiles 72. 108 points he beat him by. Holy shit, Dick. Steve Brady's Bombers had 29 points from Adrian Peterson, his top scorer. Jason Campbell only had 15 for the Exiles for his top scorer. Again, 108-point win. Wow. Big score, Steve. Last game had the Danielle Express turned on a good score. 124 beats the 2-time defending champ Ronnie. 124-50. Ronnie didn't have it. His team didn't have it this week. LaShawn McCoy was his highest score at 14. Danielle Express had Eli Manning, who finally fucking got off the schneid. You know how that works. And he scored 36. He's not a pick machine this year, it looks like, so far. So, that was week 5. Okay, week 6 comes interleague. Now, it's a tricky week because there's a lot of fucking buys that go into it this week. And, there's, the buys are this week. And it's going to come into play with some of the games. Like my game, I know I have both of my quarterbacks are gone. So I have one quarterback in Blaine Gower, but that's my problem this week. Both of my starter quarterbacks happen to be off the same week. But it's going to happen with everybody. Hopefully the South comes out and gives a good effort, because if they don't, you know what happens, don't you? That's what I'm talking about, see? You guys don't want that. You don't even know. I'll have to get out little V. All right, listen. Great week this week. We're going to have even better interleague week. I want to see the smack boards rocking this week. I mean, they really kind of suck this year. they really should be stepped up this week, and we should start fucking talking some mad shit, because I am ready to talk some big mad shit this week. So we got 3 weeks of this. Then we're going to sliders. I know Ronnie wrote on the board. I think he said we're going to Harry's. We didn't vote it. Harry's was one of the options. Either Harry's or it was sliders, and we decided on sliders. So that's where we're going. Remember, if you're not going to go, don't just not show up, because your money's not going to be accounted for. So if you're not going to go, let me know ahead of time. I'll pick up your money. If you win, obviously you don't have to pay it. But if you lose, I'll have your money. Okay? So please, you don't want to stick the guys who were there with the bill, because it's not fair to anybody else. But anyways, great week this week. I hope everybody had a good time this week. And Interleague's going to be great. Smack Talk's going to be great. We'll keep it up. Right, Little V? Right. Later.